Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. First, I want to say a huge thanks to Huggies for sponsoring today's video. And today we are doing a little photo shoot of baby Oakley, and I wanted to capture his sweet little rolls. But I wanted him wearing something a little bit more special than a regular diaper, so we used Huggies Made by You to create a diaper design specialized for our little guy. Giving or getting a great shower gift is sometimes a little bit tricky, but these diapers make a great gift for baby showers. Each box comes with 28 diapers in size 1, and it's super easy to design your own diaper. There's plenty of cute options to choose from to make the diapers personal and unique, and the diapers come with a premium reusable box and personalized card. Some ideas for special ways to use these diapers is in a baby book, newborn photo shoot like we did, baby box, or even a shadow box would be really cute. And $49.99 is so worth it for a premium personalized gift that is so easy to give and is also practical. So go check out Huggies Made by You, and I will have a link in the description box below. Hey guys, welcome to Vlogmas. I have no idea what day we're on. I think this is, I don't know, have no idea. But welcome. We are starting the day pretty early for once. And we have everybody in the car. Emmy is in her brand new car seat and she's like kind of obsessed with it. It's pretty funny. We opened it today and she just sat in it forever, and then we had to get her out to put in the car obviously, and she wasn't having it. We are going to the post office right now. I'm mailing some stuff. Yep, so that's what we're doing today. We're gonna take you guys along with us. Let's go. Note to self, do not try and attempt to go to the post office in the month of December. This is the second time I've tried to go, and the line is always out the door and moves so slowly. Well, today was the kicker. There was one person working behind the counter. So I waited for, how long do you think I was in there? 20 minutes?
Yeah, 15 or 20 minutes.
20 minutes. It had to have been 20 minutes. And I barely moved. So I got out of line again. So I might just have to wait until January and mail these packages because these lines are crazy. Not at all sure how that was gonna go, getting Emerson out. She was having such a good time playing with toys, but usually she has kind of a hard time when it's time to go, leaving with a happy heart. And that's just putting it mildly. Usually it's a lot of kicking and screaming. Also, Oakley's over here tooting. You know, just mom life. I am happy though and proud of that girl for the way she left with a happy heart. And I did have a little trick for getting her out of there. I said, okay, mom's leaving, bye. And she didn't like that. So she followed me all the way out the store. And we did try and bribe her with a cake pop from Starbucks, and she's just not motivated by food. She would much rather play with toys than eat food. So we had to come up with alternative ways to get her out of there, but it was a mom win. So I am in the car with the kids now. Andrew went into Harris Teeter and is getting, I don't know, steaks or something. That sounds good. But he said he was going in there to get some steaks, and I just fed Oakley. I left his diaper bag at Andrew's parents' house, and I didn't bring any diapers with me because I have never needed to bring diapers since he's been born. Like, he just never poops while we're out. And of course, the one day that I forget to Well, I didn't forget to bring the diaper bag, we didn't have it. But the one day that I did not bring diapers with me and we didn't have the diaper bag, sure enough, he poops. But we're going home right now. Did you get steaks?
What?
Did you get steaks?
I did.
Is that for dinner tonight?
Tomorrow night.
Oh, because we're having pork chops tonight. Here, sing your song. Where'd she go? Boo! Boo! What's Dad doing? He's cooking dinner. What's he cooking? Pork chops, baby. And broccoli's in the oven. Ever since we got home from running errands, we have been all cuddled up on the couch. Oakley took a nap on me. Emmy didn't take a nap today again. But we just kind of all turned the lights down low and cuddled and rested, and it was very nice. As parents, though, we could not actually fall asleep because we still had to supervise, but... You okay?
I'm okay.
Somehow, even without a nap, she still has so much energy. I had told Emerson that we would decorate gingerbread cookies, and the day got away from us. But I had already promised it to her, so I am following through on my promise, and we are not exactly doing gingerbread cookies, but we are going to be decorating the toffee brown butter cookies that we already had on hand. So I'm making, or Emerson is making, some frosting with powdered sugar and milk, and she's doing a great job of stirring. And then we just put the cookies on the tray to put in the oven. And then we're gonna decorate them. All right, let's look at them.
Wow.
Wow.
So pretty.
So pretty. When the timer goes off, we'll take them out of the oven, okay?
It helps to make the oven.
And then we're gonna decorate them. Does that sound fun?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, ready for it?
Almost. Here.
Yay!
All right. When the timer goes off, see, it's almost down. When it goes to 1, then we'll take the cookies out of the oven, okay? The cookies are ready. Great job. All right, you ready to decorate them?
Okay.
Okay, come on over here. Here, I'll show you how you do it. Okay? Okay, get this. And you pour it on there. Good job. Good girl. You're missing the cookie. Put on the cookie. Okay, get some more. Great job. Here, let's get a spoon for you.
Okay.
Here you go.
Wait.
You're welcome. And you want some sprinkles for your cookies? Okay. We'll do, here you go, some sprinkles on. I'm impressed. I was expecting her to go straight to her mouth with that. Great. Oh gosh. You can put some frosting on first. Can you put some frosting on that cookie? No, frosting. Okay, you do what you want.
There we go.
There it is.
Oh. Oh my.
Alright, that's the last time you do that, okay? Just lick that. Okay, don't take a bite of that anymore, but you can decorate your cookie with it. Awesome.
Good job.
Nope. So that is it for today's video. I did forget to end the vlog, so I am ending it here. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure that you are subscribed so you don't miss any of the videos that we have coming out. Follow us on Instagram at allie_gooch to keep up with us there. And make sure you guys check out Huggies Made by You, and I will have that link in the description box below. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.